What is up, guys? It is Shirt. So today is a very good day. So I actually had to leave because the recorder was being laggy. But one of my friends, or one of my fans, is letting me use this chroma key. Now I actually have it in my inventory, which is super dope. And I'm gonna be showing you guys basically like the basic gameplay with it. But this is super dope. And also, he said he might be gifting it to me. You guys know what that means. If he's able to give me this chroma key, I can literally give away most of my items and just keep that chroma key. Like this is just super dope. Okay, so it's actually in my inventory right now. So we go to classic. There it is. No freaking way. No way. Yo, this thing is actually super sick. But yeah, dude, this thing is super dope. I remember this one. I think, is this the same price as Chroma Tides? I have to check. But basically, he's like, he might be gifting this to me. Which, if he is, it's super dope. But even still, he's letting me use it, which is really freaking cool. Like, this chroma key is so nice. Like, ever since my Chroma Tides got scammed, I've really been missing my my chromaness. Let me actually check. So chroma heat, oh, it's 2000 series more expensive than chroma seer, but yeah. Dude, this is a super dope item. Dude, if he can give this to me, this would be super cool. Okay, so I'm the murderer. So I'm just gonna display the weapon. So right now, if we go over here, this is basically the weapon. It changes freaking colors. It's so cool. Like, if I can save, because I have 20,000 tokens, but if I can convert some tokens, I can be able to use, like, I can be able to use the dual wield, and it looks super dope. Like, this is nice. Like, I really like this knife. If he can, if he would gift it to me right now, I would flip out. Dude, this guy's chroma heat. Yo, this is dope. But yeah, this is the chroma times. Thanks again to DXY for letting me like use this. Really appreciate it. Also, I want to clarify something. Um, he wants to 1v1. Oh, GG. But yeah, dude, this is a super dope knife. Ah. Oh, I was about to say, why did he leave? Alright, looks like I'm the sheriff now. Alrighty, let's see who's the... Dude, this is super cool. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. You guys saw it. He's gonna let me use his chroma unless someone I mean, my bad. I'm gonna upload this video right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys see that? He's gonna let me use his chroma heat for the entire day. You know how dope that is? Like chroma heat. It's like one of the good chromas. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't worry. The saw giveaway is still up. So if you want to win this saw, make sure you follow the steps in the other video that I created. But other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.